Hi Francisco, how are you? Hello David, I'm great. What about you? I'm alright, dear. Francisco, how you are adapting to the life in the US? I'm really enjoying my current job here. But still I have been difficulty in many respects. I feel like I am out of my element. Sometimes I get dizzy and feel like the room is spinning. You are probably experiencing culture shock. Don't worry, things will get better in coming time. I do miss my family, how cooked meals and my little piece town and mention a few things. Life is pretty different here. What was the biggest shock for you here? The fact that everything is big, like as Costco, Best Buy, Walmart, even the seats in the cinemas, the products in the stores, and the portions at restaurants. Really, I didn't even realize that. What else was shocking for you? The American culture treating us as the stranger. The strangers speak to each other while waiting in the line. Clerks in the store asked me about my day. I don't even know. Tell me they like my outfit. Yeah, we are pretty friendly, aren't we? People are great, but I still miss my life in Italy. Do you want to rent at Italian movie that might cheer you up? That's a good idea. My heart is heavy for home, so just might work. How about going to Bella Note restaurant tomorrow for some authentic Italian food? I would love that. Thanks for inviting me. No problem. If you ever need someone to talk to, I'm always available. What kind of clothes do you like to wear? It depends on my mood. At home, I wear anything. I like usually wear jogging trousers and t-shirt. At work, I like to wear usual clothes like jeans, comfortable shirts. And other times, I like to wear nice dress and shoes. What about you? I like to wear the cotton clothes most of time and t-shirts. I like plain colors best. Me too, but I also like to wear the floral designs and bright colors like red and blue. What do you usually wear on the cold days? I wear pants or jeans and sweater. I also prefer leather jackets and jeans to keep me warm. I love trench coats. They are so elegant.